are in front of Jollibee, so let's go inside. We're in Manila in Philippines and everybody told us to come to Jollibee.
Yes,
Check it out.
supposedly Jollibee is like the best place to have food here in the evening.
Yo, there's a lot of options. We have some family super meals, sweet pies and stuff, chicken, a lot of chicken, chicken joy. Oh my god, there are so many things here. Chicken sandwich, spaghetti, burger, sandwiches, pies and fries. Hi! Can you please recommend me something to eat? It's gonna be my first time ever trying Jollibee, so I don't know what to have. Maybe chicken joy and jolly spaghetti. Chicken joy, jolly spaghetti? Yeah. Okay. And which one? Peach mango pie. Ah, peach mango pie? Peach mango. Oh, peach mango pie. Oh, okay. Sure. Thank you. Okay, so that's for one person, I think. Thank you. Very nice ladies. Let's see. Yeah, sure. This is it. Yeah. Lovely ladies here at Jollibee's helping me find out my food. Hi. What's your name? Ashia. Ashia? Yeah, Ashia. Athena. Stan. Yeah. Cool. Nice name. My name is Gigi. Nice to meet you. Hi. Very lovely people here. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do what they said. So we're gonna take that one. Chicken joy, jolly spaghetti thingies. So
I came to help. So tell me.
the ladies here, they told me to get the chicken joy, jolly spaghetti, Jollibee kind of thing.
Okay, and I want the burger also, cause burger.
Which burger do you want?
Amazing Aloha Champ.
Okay, that one. A
Okay.
menu or just the burger?
Burger. And we have the spicy delicious,
Okay, cool.
chicken delicious,
Let's do that.
chicken. Very good. I found the table. I'm going back. I came to wash my hands and see if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. I cannot believe I'm in Manila, guys, and I'm actually waiting in line for the Jollibees. Hi. I'm pretty excited here. I feel like a small kid in a candy shop. That's nice. Jolly spaghetti
With chicken or...
with chicken.
Okay. For dining takeout. Yes.
Sorry?
For dining or takeout.
Here. We're eating here. And one amazing Aloha Champ burger.
With fries and drinks po ba, ma'am?
Just the burger.
Just the burger.
And one peach mango pie.
Okay po.
Okay. I think that's it for now. And you have French fries separate.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have please one small French fries?
Regular fries, ma'am.
Regular.
Okay.
I'm pretty excited. I'm excited what Michael is thinking about what we're gonna have.
Your change was 697.
Sure. Wow. Okay.
60, 70, 80, 90, 7 pesos.
Wow. Thank you. Sure. It's okay.
May number yung hindi pa.
Thanks.
Una lang po.
Table number? Thanks, Colleen. Thank you. Very nice people. So this is my number. I'm going upstairs to get my table to see Michael, to check him if he's okay, if he didn't get lost. In the meantime, and let's see. I'm very excited on how this thing is gonna turn out to be. There's some people here.
Waiting. Number 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the amount of change I got.
Oh, that's a lot of money and change. Okay, I'm not used to this money yet, but it's very colorful so far. Hopefully I can get used to it quick because, well, it's a new country, new money.
So, Michael, what do you know about Jollibee?
I know that it's supposed to be the most popular food around here, and it's even more popular than McDonald's and KFC and any other, I don't know, fast food joints around the world. And supposedly the food is very good, so if the food is good, we come here to eat it. And we had a bit of a misfortune because when we arrived in the Philippines, we arrived in the middle of Typhoon Karding or Noru or however it's called. And we were running through the streets yesterday evening like idiots, trying to find the SIM card and some money and, I know, the necessities around to manage our day-by-day life. But in the end we managed, and now we have both internet and a lot of money, as you saw before. And we're ready to try the most amazing food available. Yeah. Looks like the people at the bigger table have left, so I can do a switcheroo and change our place to this nice booth looking area because it's more comfortable and more nice. Okay, and just like that, through the miracle of time, our food has arrived, and we have a
chicken joy something with spaghetti.
Okay, I think that's yours.
I never thought I would eat spaghetti and chicken at the same time. Just look at the spaghetti. It smells good. It smells like
bag of rice. And my burger.
And we have here the dessert, which is a peach mango pie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Definitely pineapple on burger. No pineapple on pizza, but on burger, pineapple, yes.
It's a pineapple?
Yeah, wanna try?
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Thank you.
And we have received
Here.
our main event.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
There's some juice. Perfect. Happy joy.
Oh my god.
Did you wanna try the pineapple burger?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me put this stuff here. Okay. Okay, so this is the burger. I like pineapple on pizza, so of course I like it on the burger as well. That's good.
Okay. Don't eat all my burger, because that's my food. You got your spaghetti chicken umajig, and I got my nice burger.
Yo, just look at this one.
Yes. Now this is more like a GG. This is more chicken for us.
Oh wow. So on 3, Michael, let's do it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I made a mess.
Holy cow, this is good chicken. Where has this been all my life? This is a very good, tangy, spicy, amazing sauce. The chicken is amazing. It's super crunchy. It's a bit salty, and with the spicy sauce, it's a match made in heaven. I mean, it's perfect, and it doesn't have that many bones, which is good for me. So I don't know. You have the option to choose between this kind of sauce, which is brown and hot, but not spicy, and the other spicy one, which I tried before. So I don't know. And considering the fact that we have a huge amount of chicken here in this bucket, I mean, that's a ton of food. But we're hungry because today we haven't done anything. So, yay! Perfect. Okay, time to eat now. Push. Food is done. Finally.
No,
Time to go.
No, it's not done. We still have this.
Hey, more food, Gigi. Did you see the amount of chicken I had to eat?
You can do this as well.
Okay. Peachy. How is it?
It's so good.
Ooh. Honestly, guys,
crunchy and sweet and tastes like mango and pineapple.
Usually when I go to fast food places, after I eat, I feel like I'm dead, like I have a break inside my food. But this time is the first time ever I'm coming to a fast food place. The food is good. Doesn't feel like it's post-processed. So I don't know what they put inside the food here, but it's good. So I don't know. It doesn't taste like a fast food, right, Gigi?
It tastes like homemade food somehow. At least the combination with the pasta, it would be something like I would eat at my parents or something.
Chicken and pasta.
Yeah, but not in that form, but still.
Okay.
So it's good.
Interesting. I would have never thought that I would have liked fast food, but I will. Apparently I do. So, Jollibee, who knew? Very good place.
Yeah, first time in Jollibee, super impressed.
Okay. Thank you. Now,
One more thing, the total price for this, for everything we have here, it's 756,
okay.
I think.
Not bad.
pesos. Yeah,
It's actually good.
yeah.
Considering the fact that we had a huge amount of food. Good. Okay. That's, I think, the end of the video.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget, like, if you're seeing us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment,
Yes.
share it with your
Do the things you do. Make Gigi happy. And me as well. Because we're DODOEXPLORERS and we say goodbye. Bye.